Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, May 3rd, and this is my analysis of the Aussie US dollar. Starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the Aussie dollar, I'm still a big believer this is going to make a higher low, higher low. We may have already found a bottom. I think that we are likely to go up and make a wave C of wave Y, which will be the completion of this W, 3 waves up, 3 waves down X, and 1, 2, 3 waves up for the waves Y, A, B, C of Y, which I still think needs to go up and take out these previous highs. So taking it down to the weekly time frame, I'm personally really on the side that this is the end of a correction right here. Definitely looks like it is. I think this is a 1. I think this is a big ABC of 2, 78% fib bounce. I think there's a pretty good chance that this has already started a big wave 3, that it's going to make a wave 4 and a wave 5, which would be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C of wave Y, which the wave C should be a 5-wave trend and the wave A should be a 5-wave trend, which it definitely is. So taking it down to the daily time frame. Now on the daily time frame, we definitely got a nice fib bounce. Now there is definitely a chance that this is an ABC correction and that it makes a lower high, and goes down. I mean, that is definitely a possibility that we need to keep in mind. But this pattern to me seems too clear not to be over. I think this is potentially a wave 1. I think this is an A. I think this is a B. I think it's just an odd looking ABC right there for the wave C. 78% fib bounce. I am definitely suspecting that this could be a 1, 2, 3, and it could just keep on making higher highs, higher lows over the coming weeks in that big wave 3 of wave C. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I would always label something like this as either an A or 1 to keep my possibilities open. I would say that this is either a wave B or a wave 2, and I would say that we are currently in either a wave 3 or a wave C. If it is a wave C, then potentially it would bounce off a fib level, go down, break structure, proving that it is a wave C. We do have non-farm payroll news today, so that definitely could be a possibility, and if that does happen, I will exit my longs, and I'll go short for the continuation of the downtrend. On the other hand, if it's not an ABC, but it's actually a 1, 2, 3, then it will keep on pushing up. You'll still get some Fibonacci bounces, but you will not get a break of structure, and that will prove to me that it is a wave 3. So keeping that in mind, taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, I am personally definitely looking today's news for a break of structure down. If it happens, I will exit my longs and I'll go short for the continuation of the downtrend, because that would pretty much prove to me that this is a big A, B, and C on the higher time frames. On the other hand, if it doesn't do that, but instead just goes down, makes a higher low, or it just keeps on going up, then I'll just hold on to my longs and I'll continue to look for a little more long entries at the end of pullbacks, because like I said, this may not be an ABC. I actually think it based on the weekly and daily time frame, it is more likely to be a 1, a 2, and a wave 3. So I'm definitely looking for longs. Today's non-farm payroll news, if it goes down and breaks structure, will definitely change that, and I'll start looking for shorts again. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all my daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to all my swing trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.